Hey, Mario Brown here, and now that we have optimized the pictures, the videos, now that we have the location and the keywords, it's time to finish the basic setup of our listing. And that's what we're going to do right now. So I'm here back in the listing, and here where it says description, I've added a short description, and all you want to make sure is that you enter the main keyword and the local areas that you have just found. So the main keyword here is accounting Miami, and the local areas are right here. So if you go through the listing, ABC Accounting Miami, solving your day-to-day accounting problems in South Florida, including Hialeah, Brickell, Fontainebleau, and Coral Gables. There's a typo here, Fontainebleau. So as you can see, I mentioned the main keyword, accounting Miami, and also the local areas. And you want to make it readable for the reader, but still also mention your keyword. That way it's a win-win situation. Next thing is categories, and categories are very, very important that you optimize them. As I said, go first with the ones that Google suggests to you, and then now what you want to do is you want to enter the keywords that we found when we did the keyword research. So in this box I'm going to enter business tax accounting solutions, and in the next box I'm going to enter, let's say, small business accounting service. And you can have 5 boxes. If you want to add an additional category, you can have a comma in here, and let's enter another one, which is public CPA accountants. Alright, and remember that we got these keywords from Google itself, so they are very relevant, and it makes sense to mention them in the category. And also now we have mentioned accountants, accountant, and accounting, our 3 main keywords. They're all in here right now, plus all the relevant modifiers, so we can rank for multiple terms within the Google Places listing. The next step is, let's see, the photos, and let me just check a couple of payment options here. Now you want to add the photos that we keyword optimize. So all you do is you click here, choose file, you select them from your computer, click on open, then you click here on add photo, and there it is. Okay, so you click choose file, you select the picture, click here on open, and then add photo, and there's the second photo. You want to have 10 pictures in here. Okay, you want to max it out. You want to have as much content in your listing as possible. Content is king. The next step is videos, and now that we optimized our videos, you just go to your YouTube account. Okay, you paste the URL, you copy the URL of your video, and then you just paste the URL here into that box, and you click add video. And just like that, the video is right here. You can add up to 5 videos, so make sure that you add all 5 videos that you've created. And now we have 10 optimized pictures and 5 optimized videos. Now the last step here is additional details, and in here you can, or you're supposed to enter any information in addition that could be useful for the reader. So what we're going to enter here is on one hand, the local areas that we found, to make clear that what areas we serve, and also we're going to mention a couple of additional services. And what I like to mention is also the URL. So what I do normally is I pick the main keyword, which was accounting Miami, and then I just copy the URL. Okay, I paste it in here, and that will give us a backlink to our listing. And then here you can add more boxes, and let's say services. And now we're going to look again for some of the modifiers in combination with the keywords, but we don't want to use Miami again. So for example, small business accounting makes sense. And you just want to enter some of the relevant keywords that you got from Google Keyword Tool, because it tells us that these keywords are relevant. CPA accountants, and business tax accountant, and maybe you want to enter 2 more, which could be accounting solutions and online accounting software. Solutions and online accounting software. Okay, next up is services or areas served, and in here you want to enter some of the areas that you found, like Key Biscayne, Coral Gables, and Fontainebleau, and you also want to mention the state, Key Biscayne, Florida, and I'm going to add another box here. Okay, going to add Hialeah, Florida, and let's say Fontainebleau, Florida. Okay, some of the keywords that we want to rank for, some of the local areas. You can add another box here and maybe have 3 to 5 other service areas served. Okay, but that's it. Don't go crazy here and have 20 boxes. That doesn't look natural. Have a couple of services in here, a couple of service areas that you found doing your research, and this is within the guidelines of Google, so it helps you and it helps the person who is actually looking for your business. So as you can see here on the right side, we have a lot of content now in the listing, and that's exactly how it's supposed to be. Okay, everything right now is perfectly optimized in order to make this listing rank high. Alright, so go ahead, do the same. The last thing that you have to do now is actually click here the submit button. Google is going to ask you to verify your account. You can either do that by telephone or by mail. I strongly recommend that you use the telephone because you can verify your listing instantly, and with mail you have to wait up to 2 weeks. So click the submit button, verify your listing via telephone or text message, and then you are ready to optimize it even further. Okay, in the next videos I'm going to show you how to check on your competition, check out your competitors in order to optimize your listing even further. So thanks for watching.